Hello, my name is Armando Ramirez. I'm the automotive instructor here at Coastal Bend College in Beeville, Texas. We currently serve 4 different campuses. Our automotive technology program is here at the Beeville campus. This is my 2nd year at Coastal Bend College. It's going great. Everything is good. Our technology, our equipment, everything is getting upgraded. We have a great administrative team behind us. Our advisory committee, we are set to improving and to meeting all industry standards for you. I am a Coastal Bend College graduate. I went to school here in the year 2004. I graduated with honors. I made the dean's list. I was able to use the tools, equipment, the knowledge that I got from my instructor in order to further my education. I left and I became an automotive instructor in a small community in Northeast Houston. My wife and I were there for 11 years. I missed the Coastal Bend so much and the community and the area and the small town of Beeville that we decided to come back and use the knowledge that I gained while I was away in the industry, bring it back over here to Coastal Bend College in Beeville, and now I'm back. I also like to mention that I have a father who went to school here. He went to the same program that I did. My brother was also here. He was a graduate from Coastal Bend College and went to the program. So not only is this a great school to go to, but it's a great family tradition for you to bring your families, bring your friends. The college is for everybody, whether you're a dual enrollment student still in high school or whether you're fresh out of high school, ready to start your career, whether you're a retiree or a mother of 4. It doesn't matter. This career, this job, this school is here for you. Coastal Bend College, success happens here.